Hello guys, welcome back to Disha Study. In this session we will do 53 previous year questions from the computer and IT subject which asked in the previous SSC examination. And why 53 questions? Because this is the last session of this series and this is the 27th part, and the link of this series playlist you will find in the description box, right? So let us start with the question. First question is, when contents of a cell in a worksheet of MS Excel 2010 are being edited, the cell number is displayed in blank. Your A option is status bar, B option is ribbon bar, C option is formula bar, and D option is name box. So the right answer is our option D, that is name box. Next question is, what is the address of the cell at the intersection of the 5th row and 5th column in MS Excel 2010? Your A option is $E, $5, B option is $E, $5, C option is 5E, and D option is E, 5. Okay, so 5th row and 5th column. 5th column means E. जो कॉलम का एड्रेस होगा वो ई होगा एंड 5th रो मींस 5, नंबर 5. ओके, सो सेल एड्रेस को सबसे पहले कॉलम लिखा जाएगा, दैट इज ई देन 5. E5 जो डिफॉल्ट एड्रेसिंग होती है वो होती है गाइस रिलेटिव एड्रेसिंग. जो एड्रेस हो राइट आंसर आएगा और राइट ऑप्शन आएगा ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज E5. ओके, यहाँ पर जो ऑप्शन अगर आप बी में देखेंगे सो यहाँ पर भी E5 है, बट यहाँ पर जो एड्रेसिंग है वो एब्सोल्यूट एड्रेसिंग है. ओके, सो यहाँ पर कुछ भी ऐसा मेंशन नहीं किया हुआ है, दैट इज व्हाट इज द सिंपली लिखा हुआ है दैट व्हाट इज द एड्रेस, नॉट एब्सोल्यूट नॉट रिलेटिव. सो इट मींस हमें डिफॉल्ट एड्रेस जो होता है एक्सेल का वो होता है रिलेटिव. सो दैट्स व्हाई ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. ओके, सो आई होप आप सभी को समझ आया होगा. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज, blank is used in MS Excel 2010 to open an already existing file. Your A option is save, B option is save as, C option is new, and D option is open. So the right answer is option D, that is open. Next is, header and footer option is present in blank tab in MS Excel 2010 ribbon bar. Your A option is data, B option is insert, C option is file, and D option is view tab. And this question is also very very important, so काफी अच्छे से याद रखिएगा. जो header and footer option present रहती है वो रहती है under the insert tab. Okay. Next is, what is the value of the following expression in MS Excel 2010? Equal to 22 minus 12 divided by 3 divided by 2 plus 4. So काफी क्वेश्चंस हम कर चुके हैं. तो यहाँ पर देखिए 12 divided by 3 divided by 2, right? So left to right solve करना है according to the Bodmer's rule. So 3 by 4 means 4. Now 4 by 2 means 2. Okay, so 22 minus 2 plus 4 जब इसको solve किया जाएगा, so the right answer is the 24. Okay, so option D is the right answer. Now next question is, in MS Excel 2010, blank operation is used to save an already saved file under a different name. Your A option is save as, B option is new, C option is open, and D option is save. So the right answer is option A, that is save as operation. Next is, blank tab in MS Excel 2010 ribbon bar allows you to check spelling, track changes, add comments and notes, protect worksheets and workbooks. A option is review tab, B is formula, C option is data, and D option is file tab. The right answer is option A, review tab. Next is, blank shortcut key is used in MS Excel 2010 to open the review tab. रिव्यू टैब के अंदर कौन कौन सी हमें ऑप्शन देखने को मिलती है वो हमने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में देखा. नाउ अगर आपको रिव्यू टैब पर जाना है तो शॉर्टकट की कौन सी यूज होती है? तो ए ऑप्शन इज ऑल्ट प्लस ए, बी ऑप्शन इज ऑल्ट प्लस एन, सी ऑप्शन इज ऑल्ट प्लस आर, एंड डी ऑप्शन इज ऑल्ट प्लस आई. सो वेरी इजी, रिव्यू टैब, रिव्यू आर means alt plus R. So option C is the right answer. Next is, consider the following statements. Here are the 4 statements. So first statement is P statement is, double click the cell that contains the data that you want to edit. Q statement is, click the cell that contains the data that you want to edit and then press F2. And R statement is, click the cell that contains the data that you want to edit and then press Shift key. And S statement is, click the cell that contains the data that you want to edit and then press Control key. Okay, so which of the following statements are correct about starting to work in edit mode of MS Excel 2010 worksheet? So simply यहाँ पर बात की जा रही है कि आपने किसी भी सेल को अगर एडिट करना हो तो उसके लिए कौन कौन से तरीके हो सकते हैं. So here are 4 options और इसको भी हम चीज को प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस में डिफरेंट वे में कर चुके हैं. So I hope आप इसका आंसर इजीली कर पाएंगे. So option E is the right answer, that is P and Q statements are the करेक्ट वन। ओके, अगर सेल को एडिट करना है तो आप डबल क्लिक भी कर सकते हो, या अगर आप फंक्शन की F2 को प्रेस करेंगे तो उससे भी क्या होगा, जो आपका एक्टिव सेल होगा वो एडिटिंग मोड में आ जाएगा। ओके, so now the next question is blank tab in MS Excel 2010 ribbon bar provides commands for switching between worksheet views, freezing panes, viewing and erasing multiple windows. A option is home, B option is view tab, C option is formula and D is review. So the right answer is option B, that is view tab. Next question is blank function in MS Excel 2010 capitalizes the first letter in each, यहाँ पर H आएगा, each word of a text value. A option is length, B option is upper function, C option is lower function and D option is proper function. तो अगर आपने प्रीवियस सेशन देखा होगा तो वहां पर ये चीज हमने डिस्कस की थी, तो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज प्रॉपर फंक्शन. प्रॉपर फंक्शन ओनली कैपिटलाइजेज द फर्स्ट लेटर ऑफ ईच वर्ड. जो किसी भी वर्ड का जो फर्स्ट लेटर होगा उसको कैपिटल में करेगा और बाकी लेटर्स को लोअर में कन्वर्ट करेगा. ओके, so the next is in MS Excel 2010 rows are identified by, your A option is ABC, B option is 1 2 3, C option is asterisk ampersand and यहाँ पर जो है एक्सपोनेंशियल का साइन है. D option is यहाँ पर $, एंड परसेंटेज. तो जो रोज को एड्रेस किया जाता है या रोज को जो आइडेंटिफाई किया जाता है वो किया जाता है नंबर से, लाइक 1 2 3 and 4 so on. Next is blank is used when you want a cell reference to stay fixed on a specific cell in MS Excel 2010. Now try to guess the right answer, right? A option is specific cell reference, B option is mixed cell reference, C option is absolute cell reference and the D option is automatic cell reference. Now read the question carefully, that cell reference to stay fixed on a specific cell. Okay, so for that absolute cell reference is used, so option C is the right answer. Now the next is in MS Excel 2010, blank is used to represent data in the form of bars and lines. A option is filter, B option is sort, C option is table and D option is chart. So the right answer is option D, that is chart. Next question is blank function in MS Excel 2010 counts how many values are in the list of arguments. A option is if function, B option is count A function, C option is ceiling function and D option is count if function. So the right answer is option B, that is count A function. Next question is how many number of rows and columns on a worksheet of MS Excel 2010. Your A option is 1,48,576 rows and जो column होते हैं 16,384. B option is 65,536 rows by 16,384 columns. C option is 65,536 rows and 812 columns and the last option is 1,48,576 rows and the column are 65,536. So the right answer is option D, that is the number of rows is 1,48,576 and the number of columns are 16,384. Next question is what will be the function given below return in MS Excel 2010? So here the function is the exact function and the two strings are given, that is word and word. Okay, so in the previous session we discussed that is the exact function compares a two text string and returns the true output true if both the strings are the same and returns false if both the strings are not exactly the same. But one more thing जो मैंने वहां पर mention की थी वो थी that is the exact function is a case sensitive function. Okay, so यहाँ पर आप देखिए word अगर देखा जाए तो सेम है, बट अगर एग्जैक्ट फंक्शन जैसे कि बताया केस सेंसिटिव है, तो यहाँ पर जो फर्स्ट वर्ड में W कैपिटल है, द सेकंड वर्ड में W जो है स्मॉल लेटर में, सो दैट्स व्हाई बोथ द स्ट्रिंग्स आर नॉट द सेम. ओके, सो आउटपुट जो आएगी वो आएगी फॉल्स. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द राइट आंसर. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज blank refers to the topmost area of the application that contains menu items and toolbars available in the MS Excel 2010. A option is ruler bar, B is ribbon, C option is taskbar and D is title bar. So right answer is option B, that is ribbon. Next question is a blank is a tool used in MS Excel 2010 to calculate, summarize and analyze data and let lets you see comparison, patterns and trends in your data. A option is pivot table, B option is conditional table, C option is reference table and D option is lookup table. So for that, pivot table is used. So option A is the right answer. Next question is, the button FX in MS Excel sheet represents blank operation. A option is format, B option is cancel, C option is insert function and D option is accept and filter. So the right answer is option C, that is insert function. Next question is, when you open a new workbook in MS Excel 2010, then which of the following appears at the topmost position of the screen? Your A option is vertical scroll bar, B option is horizontal scroll bar, C option is status bar and the last option is title bar. So the right answer is the option D, that is title bar. Next is, what is the name of the first worksheet in an MS Excel workbook? A option is W sheet 1, B option is spreadsheet 1, C option is sheet 1 and D option is worksheet 1. तो बाय डिफॉल्ट जो नेम होता है फर्स्ट वर्कशीट ऑफ एमएस एक्सेल वो होता है शीट 1. ओके, सो ऑप्शन सी इज द राइट आंसर. बहुत बेसिक क्वेश्चन रहते हैं, इजी रहते हैं, बट एग्जाम में पूछे जाते हैं और कंफ्यूजन होता है. ओके, सो काफी अच्छे से याद रखिएगा. फर्स्ट वर्कशीट का नेम रहता है बाय डिफॉल्ट शीट 1. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट विल हैपन व्हेन यू सेलेक्ट अ सेल और एन एमएस एक्सेल 2000 वर्कशीट एंड प्रेस F2 की. Okay, A option is the cell will switch to editing mode so that its content can be modified. B option is the content of a cell will be deleted. C option is the font color of the content of the cell will be changed. And D option is the background color of the cell will be changed. So if you select a cell and then press the F2 key, so then the cell will switch to the editing mode. Okay, so that the content can be modified. So option A is the right answer. Next is, what will be the result of the following expression? Here expression is 8 by 8 by 8 raised to power 2 into 16. So when you solve this expression, काफी क्वेश्चंस हम कर चुके हैं, so the इसका right answer आएगा option B, that is 2.0 means 2. Next is in MS Excel 2010. Here again यहाँ पर एक expression दिया हुआ है, that is equal to 656 divided by 4 raised to power 2. So 4 raised to power 2 means 16. So 656 divided by 16. When you divide that number, then you get the 48 in the answer. Okay, so option C is the right answer. Next question is, in MS Excel 2010, blank is used in hiding rows within the sheet. A option is Control plus 9, B option is Alt plus 9, C option is Alt plus 0 and D option is Control plus 0. Okay, so for hiding the rows within the sheet, so shortcut key is Control plus 9. Okay, and in the previous session we already discussed that is to hide a column. Okay, to hide a column within the sheet, the shortcut key is Control plus 0. Okay, so दोनों को याद रखिएगा and confuse नहीं होना है. Hide a row means row Control plus 9 and hide a column Control plus 0. Right? Next is, which of the following is not a valid MS Excel 2010 math function? A option is base, B option is off function, C option is mod function and D option is odd function. So the right answer is the option B, that is off function. Next question is, which of the following shortcut key is used to add outline to selected cells in a worksheet of MS Excel 2010? A option is Control plus Shift plus left arrow key, B option is Control plus Shift plus right arrow key, C option is Control plus Shift plus underscore and last option is Control plus Shift plus ampersand sign. So the right answer is the option D, that is to add an outline to the selected cell, the shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus ampersand key. Next question is, which blank is one of the most popular functions in MS Excel and it allows you to make logical comparisons between a value and what you expect? A option is COUNTIF function, B option is IF function, C option is ceiling and D option is floor function. So the right answer is option B, that is IF function. Next question is, to quickly zoom the document in MS Excel 2010, use the minus and plus symbol in the blank. जो प्लस एंड माइनस जो जूम के सिंबल रहते हैं वो कौन सी जो है बार पर प्रेजेंट होते हैं? So A option is formula bar, B option is status bar, C option is horizontal bar and D is title bar. So the right answer is the option B, that is status bar. Next question is, blank function in MS Excel 2010 rounds a number to the nearest integer or to the nearest multiple of significance. A option is IF function, B option is ceiling function, C option is COUNTIF function and D option is floor function. So the right answer is the option C, that is countive function. अब अगर गाइस देखा जाए तो इस क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा वैसे प्रॉब्लम है. जो सीलिंग एंड फ्लोर फंक्शन है ये दोनों ही क्या करते हैं, नंबर राउंड्स अ नंबर टू द नियरेस्ट मल्टीपल्स ऑफ द सिग्निफिकेंस. ओके, सो यहाँ पर एग्जैक्टली होना चाहिए था राउंड्स अ नंबर अप या राउंड्स अ नंबर डाउन. ओके, जो सीलिंग फंक्शन है ये नंबर को अप की तरफ राउंड करता है और जो फ्लोर फंक्शन है वो डाउन राउंड करता है. ओके, तो दोनों आपको वैसे पता है, हम काफी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं इन दोनों फंक्शन को. सो इसका राइट आंसर वैसे बोथ आएगा, दैट इज B and D, okay, ceiling and floor function. Next question is choose the wrong option related to cell of MS Excel 2010. A option is cell address is denoted as 1, 2, 3. B option is cells can contain text such as letters, numbers and dates. C option is intersection of rows and columns is known as cell. And D option is cell address is denoted as A1, A2, A3, etc. So try to find out the right answer. क्योंकि सारी जो ऑप्शंस हैं वो इजी वन है. सो द राइट आंसर इज द ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज सेल एड्रेस इज डिनोटेड एज 1, 2, 3, जबकि रोज को डिनोटेड किया जाता है 1, 2, 3 एंड सेल एड्रेस डिनोटेड एज A1, A2, A3, जैसे कि ऑप्शन डी में दिया हुआ है. ओके, सो दिस वन इज द इनकरेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज द मिनिमम जूम परसेंटेज इन MS Excel 2010 एप्लीकेशन. A option is 50%, B option is 10%, C option is 0% and D option is 20%. So the right answer is the option B, that is 10%. Okay, minimum is 10 and maximum is 400 and by default is 100. Next question is data validation option is present in blank tab in MS Excel 2010 ribbon bar. A option is insert, B option is file, C option is view and D is data. So right answer is option D, that is data validation option is present under the data tab in the ribbon bar. Next question is blank shortcut key is used in MS Excel 2010 to start a new line of text or add spacing between lines or paragraphs of text in a worksheet cell. A option is Control plus space, B option is Control plus enter, C option is Alt plus enter and D option is Alt plus space. So the right answer is the option C, that is Alt plus enter. अगर indirectly हम बात करें तो यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में पूछा जा रहा है that is to add a new line within a cell. So जो शॉर्टकट की यूज होती है वो होती है Alt plus enter. Okay, इस चीज को हम प्रीवियस सेशन में भी ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं. Next question is blank function key is used to close a workbook in MS Excel 2010. Your A option is Control plus F2, B option is Control plus F3, C option is Control plus F1 and D option is Control plus F4. So the right answer is option D, that is Control plus F4. Control plus F4 and also Control plus W. These both are used to close a workbook in MS Excel. And if we talk about the Alt plus F4 shortcut key, so this shortcut key also used to close the workbook, but it closes all the workbooks which are present in Excel and also close the Excel application. Okay, so ये थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है Control plus F4 and Alt plus F4. ओके, ऑल्ट मीन्स लेटर ए से याद रख लीजिएगा, दैट इज ये जो सारी मीन्स ऑल वर्कबुक्स को क्लोज कर लेता है और कंट्रोल प्लस F4 जो है किसी एक स्पेसिफिक जो है वर्कबुक को क्लोज करता है, जो एक्टिव होती है उसको क्लोज करता है. और ऑल्ट प्लस F4 जो है जो भी जितनी भी वर्कबुक जो है ओपन रहती हैं उस टाइम पर एक्सेल में, उन सभी को जो है वो क्लोज करता है. राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज चूज द रॉन्ग ऑप्शन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू MS Excel 2010. A option is in MS Excel 2010, Control plus 9 is used in hiding the rows within the sheet. B option is in MS Excel 2010, Alt plus 0 is used in hiding the columns within the sheet. C option is in MS Excel 2010, Control plus 0 is used in hiding the columns within the text. D option is in MS Excel 2010, Home tab in ribbon bar contains the most frequently used commands such as copying, pasting, sorting, filtering, formatting, etc. Okay, so the incorrect statement is the option B, that is to hide a column. जो शॉर्टकट की यूज होती है वो होती है कंट्रोल प्लस 0. ओके, सो हमने प्रीवियस भी इसको किया, सो दैट्स वाई जो बाकी मीनिंग है वो ठीक है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू MS Excel. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज in MS Excel 2010 blank function returns the year corresponding to a date. A option is year, B option is current, C option is now and D option is today. So the right answer is option A, that is year function. Next question is blank shortcut key is used in MS Excel 2010 renaming the table. A option is Control plus I, B option is Alt plus I, C option is Alt plus R, D option is Control plus R. So the right answer is the option D, that is Control plus R. Next question is blank shortcut key is used in MS Excel 2010 to go to the Insert tab. A option is Alt plus T shortcut key, B option is Alt plus I, C option is Alt plus F, and D option is Alt plus N shortcut key. The right answer is option D, that is Alt plus N. Next is blank tab in MS Excel 2010 ribbon bar provides tools to manage the worksheet appearance both on screen and printed. These tools control theme setting, grid lines, page margin, object aligning, and print area. A option is page layout tab, B option is formula, C option is file tab, and the last option is review tab. So the right answer is option A, that is page layout. Next question is, what will be the address of the cell which lies at the intersection of the 7th row and 10th column in an MS Excel 2010 worksheet? Okay, so your A option is G10, B option is $J, $7, C option is J7, D option is 7J. So cell addressing में first of all the address of column is written, then after that row. So option C is the right answer, that is J7. Next question is, in MS Excel 365, which of the following appears across the top of the screen and below the title bar and contains the commands like formulas, features needed to create data-intense spreadsheets? A option is scroll bar, B option is status bar, C option is ruler bar, and D is ribbon. Right answer is option D, that is ribbon. Next question is, which of the following is correct option in MS Excel 365 if a value in a cell of column A and row 10 is to be referred in a function or formula? A option is A-10, B option is 10A, C option is A10, and D option is A colon 10. Right answer is option C, that is A10. Next question is, which of the following is the math and trigonometric functions available in MS Excel? A option is text function, B option is ABS function, C option is logical function, and D option is financial function. Right answer is option B, that is absolute function. Next question is, each cell in the worksheet of MS Excel 365 is identified by a cell blank. A option is color, B option is size, C option is rounding, and D option is reference. Right answer is option D, that is reference. Next question is, which of the following shortcut key is used to quickly create a new blank workbook in MS Excel 2010? A option is Control plus N, B option is Alt plus Shift plus W, C option is Alt plus Shift plus N, and D option is Control plus W. So the right answer is option A, that is Control plus N. Next question is, which of the following shortcut key is used to select all cells of the current row in MS Excel 2010 worksheet? A option is Shift plus Space Down, B option is Control plus Space Bar, C option is Shift plus Space Down, and D option is Shift plus Space Bar. Right answer is option D, that is Shift plus Space Bar. And important one question है, so याद रखिएगा, that is to select all the cells of the current row. The shortcut key used is Shift plus Space Bar. Next question is, special effects used to introduce slides in a presentation are called. A option is effects, B option is custom animation, C option is transitions, and D option is preset animation. Right answer is option C, that is transitions. Next question is, which of the following fill effects can you use for the slide background? A option is gradient, B option is texture, C option is picture, and D is all of the above. Right answer is option D, that is all of the above. Next question is, which of the following are types of sound files? A option is log files, B option is date file, C option is wave file, and D option is DRB files. Right answer is option C, that is wave files. Next is, which of the following can you use to add times to the slides in a presentation? A option is Microsoft Graph, B option is Microsoft Table, C option is Microsoft Excel, and D is Microsoft Word. Right answer is option A, that is Microsoft Graph. Next question is Microsoft PowerPoint and Corel presentation are example of blank software. A option is spreadsheet, B is presentation, C is design, and D is database. So Microsoft PowerPoint and Corel presentation both are the example of the presentation software. So option B is the right answer. So that's it guys. I hope that you love the content. So please like the video, and for more videos stay tuned with this channel, and you can also visit the description box. Here I provided the link of all my playlist. So we will meet soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.